What's going on, guys? It's Jack's Lego Productions here, and today we'll be showing you a new interesting building technique that I found out. So let's get straight into the video. So as you all know, there's standard studs on top of studs on top of studs building technique that we all know and love, and then we also know the studs not on top or snot technique, where you have a bracket or brick with studs on the side, and you can attach other studs to that piece, as you can see here on this little car I have. But here you can see that on this model here, all the studs are facing sideways, or most of the studs, and the studs that would usually be on top at the back of the ship. So before you go thinking that this is my normal standard of mock, this is made using a limited amount of bricks that were lying around at the place where I'm on holiday right now. So the backstory of this mock is, after I sorted out all the real Lego from the fake Lego in a bag of parts lying around at the place where I'm staying, I found these two windshield pieces, which I noticed had the studs on a different end of the piece than what you'd find on, say, a car windshield piece. Meaning that when you place one on top of another piece in the standard way, the windshield would be on a much different angle to normal. So I started off by putting these two windshield pieces together, as you can see here, and then just started building onto them. And I wasn't really attempting to build anything in particular, I was just placing things kind of randomly, and then I decided to make a kind of ship, and then that eventually turned into something that kind of resembled an LA-80 gunship, and so then I started building it to look more like one of those. And so here's final result, and it doesn't really accurately resemble the LA-80 gunship, but that wasn't really the intention. The intention was to show this building technique. But here you can see at the front we have inverted slope pieces for the nose, and then we just have bricks on top of each other which make up the walls and go all the way to the back of the ship, and then the underside of the back of the ship is made using these slope pieces. And then I used some studs not on top pieces to get the top of the rear section of the ship and the engines in place and the wings. So here on this side you can open the door. It opens using the minifig legs piece as a hinge. It is pretty flimsy though and hard to use. But yeah, as you can see, if it were to have the studs on the top, then it would be nose down. So that's a different building technique than the standard studs on top of other studs, depending on whether you want it for part of a build or all of a build, to get a specific look or whatever you want. I just thought it's an interesting technique. I don't know whether many people have discovered this technique before, and whether it's maybe a bit more well known, but I've certainly just only discovered it. I haven't seen this used before. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed looking at this technique. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. I've been really pleased with the growth on the channel. So recently I will be doing a 50 subscribe special, probably my next video, but I do have school coming up soon. And also I do have a Discord, so if you want to join that, then it's available, and basically I'll use that for video updates. I'll link it in the description down below. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, then feel free to leave a like down below, and also feel free to subscribe, as it helps me out a lot. But either way guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!